Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make a very refreshing summer drink for you guys, and it's the winter melon tea. It's very popular in Taiwan and China and Vietnam, of course. It is believed to help people deal with hot temperature, and because it has no fat and may help to eliminate extra water in your human body, winter melon tea is also help to lose weight. So let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
The ingredients you're gonna need: 1 kilogram of winter melons, of course, 100 grams of rock sugar, a few pandan leaves, a piece of Romania, about 5 to 10 grams, water. You can also add some chia seeds or basil seeds if you like. It also has really great cooling effect. Okay, so first of all, you make sure you wash the winter melon carefully because we're gonna cook it with the skin on. Then cut in half, and then cut in half again in horizontally, and then remove the seeds with a spoon. Make sure that you remove all the soft part around the seed completely because that part gonna make the drink sour later, so you don't want that. Cut the winter melon into slices about 1 inch thick. Next, in a large saucepan, you want to add 1.5 liters of water, that's about 6 cups, with the rock sugar. You can also use normal sugar, of course, and bring to a boil until the sugar melts completely. Then we can add the winter melon and the pandan leaf, which I have tied into a knot, and also that piece of Romania. This is a special Chinese root, and it will add some color to our drink. So cook for about 20 to 30 minutes where the water comes back to a boil. Then strain out the juice. Press the winter melon through a sieve so you can get as much of the juice as possible. And you can store in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks because there's no preservative in our homemade version, so that is how long you can keep it. You can serve this with ice, of course, and add a few tablespoons of that chia seeds or basil seeds, which I have soaked in some warm water for about 15 minutes, and they bloom really beautifully. Add a pandan leaf for garnish, and there you have it, such a beautiful and refreshing summer drink, even though the name is winter melon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing summer drinks like this. Click on the playlist above if you want to make more summer drink. I have also many Vietnamese desserts and Vietnamese food on my channel, so check it out. If you give it a try, please share with me a photo on Instagram with #HelenRecipes, and let's enjoy it together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.